5 questions to ask your crush. Hey everyone, today I'm sharing 5 awesome questions to ask your crush. These will help you know them better and start great conversations. Let's dive in. 1. What's one hobby you love but don't get to talk about often? This can reveal hidden interests and give you something cool to chat about. 2. If you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go? Get to know their dream destinations and maybe find out you both love the same places. 3. What's your favorite way to spend a weekend? This will show you how they like to relax and have fun. 4. What's the best book or movie you've ever experienced? Perfect for finding shared tastes in media. 5. If you could have dinner with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be? This one can lead to some deep and interesting conversations about their inspirations and heroes. Remember, the most important thing is to be genuine and listen to their answers. Good luck! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.